Hello YouTube, it's Christy Nitro from the fabulous Las Vegas area, and you can tell by the title of this video, you guys are in for a DT haul, and this one's pretty major. I have not been to Dollar Tree in quite a while, but I was at work the other day, opened up Instagram on launch. Everyone was posting the new baskets they have, the wall clings, this, that, and the other, and then Dazzling Duchess came through and posted this. Yeah, game over. After work, I went to both the Dollar Trees on my way home after work, and I struck out on everything that I wanted. I got some needs and some other things that you guys are about to find out. Pretty major haul, and then I'm going to show you what my girl did for me, which is just the utmost amazing, awesome, oh my gosh, how am I going to repay you type thing. Getting into it, I'm sure you've seen these little canvases before. They're 8x8 canvases. They call them wall art, if I can get it right there, the reproduction. Don't know exactly what artist they're reproducing or whatnot, but tell me this isn't the greatest start to some mixed media fun. So they did half the background for you. I'm gonna go in and make it my own. Thank you, Dollar Tree, for doing that. I'm gonna put that to the side because that's gonna get done today. I haven't had a day off in 9 days. First day off, and then I work another 7 days straight. OMG. Now this clipboard here is for another amazing project that I gotta start today while I can. Crafty friend here on YouTube is doing a birthday subby challenge. If I remember, I'll put that link down below. You've got to check it out. I love doing altered anything, altered clipboards. Let's do this. That's going to be on my desk today as well. To go along with the clipboard, I was really happy to find some Mod Podge. Well, I mean, these little containers, these 2 ounces, are great for me because I do live in such a hot climate. So the matte is the way to go for me. It's not everyone's favorite, but it's my personal favorite. I don't like the gloss at all, so bring it. Need these for the project that is about to go on my desk after this video. Another amazing find. Where I work, we sell this Lions brand. I don't know if it's this small or not, but we usually sell bigger bundles. This is fun for, it's also called like eyelash trim. You can see why. Ooh. So I just got neutral colors, but trust me, they have multicolor, brighter colors. I just know the neutrals are perfect for what I need it for. So I definitely scooped up one of each of those. Now we're gonna have a little story time. I know what you're thinking. Grab your tea. Here we go. She's about to do it. So Jot came out with these amazing, you know, items for artists and whatnot. I know they're not the greatest quality, but I'm not expecting a miracle. I just want something decent for when I need them. Now, story, when I first moved to Vegas, I was doing Pinto's palette. If you don't know what that is, because everyone has a different name for it, it's the wine and art. I was teaching them. So when Groupon came along and you were doing certain classes, you had to bring your own supplies, canvas, whatever the case may be. Tell me 6 paint palettes for $1 would have not been a perfect, where were you 2 years ago when I needed you? But anyway, great, awesome, stinking find at Dollar Tree. I also want to try out their stencil brush. Again, my hopes are just decent for this. As long as all these little bristles don't fall out all over my project, we're good to go, and I will be purchasing more. Then of course you can't go wrong with some extra palette knives. Mine go through so much torture for what I do to them, and this big boy is my absolute favorite because all the edges do something different, and you get the other 2 standard ones as well. Great steal of a deal. I was so excited for it. You have no idea how giddy I was to find those. Story time over until I can think of another one. Moving on, let's go into blingy things, right? Let's brighten this video up a little bit. Boom, I got some diamonds in my life. So this is about my diamonds on my budget. 6 of the paper clips for $1. Not the greatest deal, but I really rarely find diamonds. Maybe they're a new thing. Then I did get one of each of the pens. That's the rose gold that everyone's going nuts for, and then silver, and both have the pink gems. So stinking cute. Other DIYs that I have coming up here are these fans. You know, I live in the desert. It's already getting kind of hot, but I just don't use them for fanning off my upper lip. Trust me when I say that. This is great for DIYs as well. This one has some beautiful sequins and it's black. Rarely do I find black ones, so you can stack these and use them as home decor. But what I like to do when I can find these shadow boxes at any craft store on a great sale, I'll buy them. I'll stitch these in there and then add some like floral or some stones, even maybe like a little Buddha, and then I'll use them in my house or sell them at craft shows. So I got this one. It's absolutely gorgeous, and like I said, again, black, hard to come by with these, but I do buy other colors as well. And then this one. So that is going to be something I have coming up soon, hopefully, kind of, maybe. If not, you know, I always post on Instagram about those big, like, overwhelming projects to some people. Some just like extra buys, you know how like you're looking for one thing and you end up putting like 5 things in your basket by the time you get to that other area. One was this keychain. I just knew for like 4 or 5 of these in the Target dollar spot, just those alone, just the tassels, you're going to be paying $1. You get the whole keychain. Great for starters because you'll learn how to take off, put on whatever you want. Like I'm going to put on different trinkets and hang it from one of my journals. And then I'm sorry, you guys know I love my minions, so I had to scoop this up. Little Twinkies with eyeballs do it for me, right? Little things in life. That's how you know you're a good person. Moving on to this, because adulting is hard stickers. It's too funny. Maybe I didn't get the memo though, because I use a gift bag for everything. So apparently I'm doing everything wrong. Some of these I don't understand. Like I made a phone call today. Don't really get it. I shaved my legs. Okay. But apparently they're funny and they're about the size of a credit card. Other great sticker finds is, of course, you know I'm a desert dweller, so I had to pick up some of the cactus. Those colors are so intense. I hope that my camera is picking those up. Absolutely incredible finds. This one, I just love the photorealism of it. That is absolutely gorgeous. Just the... can't wait to use that on a little something. And hello, late 80s, early 90s with this coffee sticker set. Look at that. It even says espresso self. Look at those colors. It just screams early 90s. I'm sorry. I just remember wearing colors like that with my hair crimped and bangs that went up for... Not going to show my age anymore. Just not going to do it. Some of you will understand. Now, because I didn't find any of the storage bins, like I said, that I was looking for, I struck out. But I did come across these reusable storage bags. Again, photorealism, they look like mason jars. This one's a big boy. You get 2 of them at 29 ounces. So I'm definitely using this one in the kitchen. I'm thinking it would be so cute. You open my cupboard and there's like my pastas or something. I don't know. But I did get the little ones again for my craft room. Now these are 3 packs. They are the 5 ounces. Right now I have one already in use with some rubber bands, and I can't wait to see what I fill the other ones up with. But those are absolutely stinking adorable. Alright, crafty finds are over. I have to talk about my girl. Back to Dazzling Duchess as I get this out of the way. Sorry people wearing headphones. I don't mean to deafen you, but I don't want this video to be like an hour long. But my girl came through. We were just talking. I'm telling you, like on the 16th. She was like, yes, I found you one. And then she's like, JK, found them all for you. And I was like, what? Like I was doing a jig at work. I know, so giddy over crazy things, but I wanted these for my bedroom so bad, to put these little rings and things in, right? Oh my god. If you have not seen these, just wait, let me... Oh. They are so cute. I didn't even know they had 4 colors. So thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm gonna put a link to her channel down below. She is a giddy goofball like me, and she does some amazing hauls, DIYs. She's just Why do we not hang out? Why are we not hanging out? Let's just move closer. But these are the fabulous colors. I have 4 of them. I want to keep them in the packaging because I don't want to bust one before I can use it in my room. They're just so, I love these. Thank you. I have got to think of a way to get you back because you just went above and beyond. My girl, Dazzling Duchess. I'm sure you guys all know and laugh along with her. Thank you. Mwah. All right, moving along to finds that I got for myself tonight. First day off, let's relax. I think they have these things because Mother's Day is around the corner. Am I right? Probably. Some just, you know, basic things. I'll show them since they're in the bag. I just got the cotton rounds. I always buy these. I put on my toner with it, take off makeup with these, nail polish, you name it. So that's just like things that I constantly stock up on. Also, where are you? Now I'm going in a bag. I'm sorry, earphone listeners. Oh dear. Oh dear. You're not gonna like me. This video is all over the place. Again, I'm sorry. So I haven't done a video in so long. Hi guys. Welcome. And yeah, please subscribe now. Everyone goes and tells me that this is amazing. I saw your videos. I hope you guys were not. Like, look at that. That's such an odd shape. But again, dry lips all the time at work. I like having these things handy. So I grabbed one of those. Fingers crossed that it's going to be amazing because that's some weird packaging. Sensitive skin, as you guys know, I always rant and rave about it. So anything Dove, Neutrogena, I will buy in a heartbeat because it's never done anything wrong to me. Love it. So I got that intensive cream. I also got some bug bite relief. Why? A mosquito, a spider, any creepy crawler bites me, I will turn into the toxic Avenger in like 3 minutes flat. I got that. That is a must for me. Now going into the weather's getting better some places. Even here we have our like wind and craziness issues going on. So I know sandal season is right around the corner. So I got this foot. I'm terrified of this. I do not want to like, I don't know. I just see either great things happening or bad, but I need it. I have to get my pitties into some sandals sooner than later. So I guess after I grind down what I need to, I have this awesome foot mask. And they're like little booties you put on your... It's so cute. Speaking of awesome things and why my neighbors think I'm like absolutely just off the wall crazy, I'm gonna be in my pool soon with these things over my eyes. You can't, this is so cliche, adorable. I just can't. So you get 16 of these little cucumber things that you put over your eyes. I'm sure you've seen it in movies and whatnot and spa days, and life is gonna be good tonight in the tub. Speaking of things for the tub and the bathroom, Bolero, I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right, was always a myth in my neck of the woods. I always found the bar soaps didn't really like the smells until they came out with this honeysuckle and green tea. So I got the hand soap. Great bottle. I mean, perfect. It smells awesome. And I'm not just pulling your chain. Like, this is nitro approved. It smells clean, soapy, like you know you're clean after you use this scent. So because I liked it so much, I also got the facial wipes. Awesome. And then it also says that it is hydrating, so I'm perfectly okay with that. This one says rejuvenating. Then in that same scent, I was able to find the bath soak. Again, never seen this and been able to hold it before, but I definitely grabbed the flavor, please don't eat those, the scent that I quite enjoy. And then I did come across the coconut oil and sea salt as well. This one says it's hydrating, so definitely need to put this in the bath. This smells like a tanning salon. If you've ever stepped foot in a tanning salon, you know exactly the scent that this is. Honestly, that's what it smells like. Okay. Oh, right. Then they have fizzers and bath bombs as well. Not in the same thing. So this is peppermint and sea salt. It doesn't smell that bad. I give it, you know, 1 thumb up, but I was able to find 2 of those. And I wish this scent, I could find everything. It is called Fresh Coconut and Bamboo. This is like, smell it. Go ahead. Do it. Yeah, I know. It's Bath and Body Works. That's exactly what it smells like. This is my favorite. I love the coconut. I don't sleep much. No judgment. A cucumber and bamboo. That is the best. I've never seen anybody haul these bath fizzers, but I am so willing to try them out. Now, I don't know what they smell like because unfortunately the packaging, you can't get a little scent, but they're big. Do you put them all in at one time? Because we're about to find out what happens. I know it's got to be just like the, you know, little bath bombs that you're seeing there, because it says drop into a bathtub full of water, sit back and relax. Don't gotta tell me to relax twice. So I am going to be so set for bath time for quite a while. They have this oil too. In all honesty, I don't know what you do with this oil, because the only oils I've ever bought, I'm like, do you burn it? What am I doing with it? So I didn't get it. But, you know, it was available if you're looking into that. A few other just things for myself to get myself, you know, ready for this season that's going to be slapped in my face sooner than later. I did grab a blender sponge. Another story time. I got my first beauty blender this Christmas. I always use those wedges, still do in a pinch, but I love it. Now, speaking of that adulting thing, I hate cleaning that sucker all the time, so I thought I'd pick up one of these. Is it the same? It feels the same. So if I can get several of these, if it works the same, I don't have to clean it all the time. I think it's a win-win, right? Back to those adulting stickers. I can't. I don't get it. That thing, you have to clean it all the time. Then finally, you guys have been looking at my nails and you're like, girl, do something about it. I am. I promise you. I just work a lot. I found some great colors. So this one is what they call iridescent, if you can see it. Sorry about the glare. You guys know where I live. I hate apologizing for it, but this color is gorgeous. Can't wait to use that. And I mean, really, who has time to go to the salon? Not me. This neon color, absolutely stunning. When I do finally get a tan, this is gonna look gorgeous on my skin tone. As long as, you know, as well as most neons with a tan, you can't beat it. And then I had to get myself this vintage matte. It's called Peaches and Cream. It's a nice little neutral for me as well. Should have took those out of the packaging. Didn't think ahead. Look at this. Who's ready for some bath time tonight after I get my craft on? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Dazzling Duchess. You are the sweetest thing for sending me a box full of goodies. And as always, guys, keep crafting.